Hi everyone! In today's video, we're gonna solve the first question here. It is an implementation question with level 0. It is likely that there is no trick for level 0 or level 1. If you look at the question, I encourage you not to read all the descriptions, but go down to the examples. In the first output, there are 3 elements in the array, and the output is June. And in the explanation down here, plus becomes 1 and minus becomes 0. Also, it is mentioned in the constraints, string will not contain anything other than plus, minus, and spaces. So this string will become this binary number. When this number is converted into decimal, it becomes 74. And in the ASCII code table, 74 represents the uppercase J. So the other 2 strings will be converted in the same way, and combining them, we can get an output June. So each item in the array should be converted into J, U, and N. Let's solve this question with the console. I'll put it in the right side, and I'm gonna use the answer I got from the chat AI last time. I'll copy this, and if I run this, we can get this binary number. But how can we change it into decimals? To do that, I'll use parseInt and copy this number. And I'm gonna also put 2 as it was the binary number. Then we can get 74, which is decimal. Let me explain a bit more about the code. If you look at this code, plus becomes 1, minus becomes 0, and space becomes an empty string using the regular expressions. And it is calling replace method one after another, which is called a method chaining. I'll revise this code like this because it's easier, but it means the same. They are converting the space into an empty string. And because of this G flag, this regular expression is tested against all possible matches in a string. Also, here's a backslash in front of the plus. It is for using the plus sign just as it is, because in regular expressions, plus sign means at least 1 or multiple times. So back to this code with parseInt, we got 74, and I'll bring this data right here and use for of loop. It's really useful in algorithm questions. We're gonna traverse this data, so I'll set I of data here and just console log it. We can see each of item in the array is printed like this. And not just console log, we're gonna use this replace method to get a binary number. I'll add it to I. Then you can see each one is converted to a binary number. And I'll wrap it up with parseInt to get an integer and put 2 to say it is a binary number. And then we can get 74, 117, and 110. And we need to change this to string. So the method I'm going to use is string from charcode. If I put 74, it prints out uppercase J. But you can also write all together like this, and we can get June printed out. I'll take the for loop we used earlier and create a variable called result. And I'm gonna print the converted string, but set it to I and then accumulate it in the result. But this I should be converted into a character using string from charcode. And if I print out the result, we can see June printed out. So let's complete the solution function. I'll copy this and put it inside of the solution. And after the for loop, we should return the result. I'll bring this data and execute the function here. Then we can get start as a result. I'll copy this and submit it. Then we can see we all passed the test cases. This is the end of the video for today. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave us the comments below.